Science and Discovery. Pinwheel Wind Meter. In the bustling town of Windyville, nestled between towering trees and rolling hills, lived a group of inquisitive children eager to learn. One sunny Monday, they decided to explore the mysterious force that made their hair dance and leaves rustle: wind. Under the guidance of their wise mentor, the children experimented with different designs for their pinwheels, carefully selecting materials to make them as accurate as possible. Their hands moved swiftly, cutting and gluing with determination and focus. With the pinwheels complete, the children ventured outside to test them in the winds of Windyville. They carefully recorded their observations, excitedly discussing how the wind affected each design and what they could learn from it. Back indoors, the children analyzed their data, comparing and contrasting their findings. Some designs spun faster in stronger winds, while others remained still in gusts. They marveled at how wind behaved differently and how important it was to understand its power. One by one, each child presented their data, explaining what they discovered and how their pinwheel design responded to the wind. The group listened intently, asking questions to deepen their understanding of this essential force. With newfound knowledge about wind and the power of observation, experimentation, measurement, and explanation, the children began brainstorming ways to improve their pinwheels for future windy days. Their minds buzzed with excitement, eager to put their new skills to the test. Armed with a fresh understanding of wind and renewed curiosity, the children gathered materials to prepare for their next experiment. Their hands moved quickly as they cut and glued, eager to see what they could learn next about this fascinating force. Outside again, the children tested their improved pinwheel designs in the wind, excitedly discussing how each design responded differently. They marveled at the changes and what they could learn from them. Back indoors, the children analyzed their data, comparing and contrasting their findings from their improved pinwheels. They marveled at how each design had become more accurate in measuring wind speed, and how they could continue to improve their skills. One by one, each child presented their data from their improved pinwheel designs, explaining what they discovered and how it differed from their initial findings. The group listened attentively, asking questions to deepen their understanding of wind and its effects on their designs. With new discoveries in hand and excitement coursing through their veins, the children began brainstorming new experiments to test in the future. They discussed wind tunnels, anemometers, and other ways to learn more about this essential force that surrounded them every day. The Pinwheel Wind Meter adventure showed these curious children that they could learn anything if they were determined, observant, and inquisitive. They discovered the mysteries of wind and how to measure it with their very own pinwheels. As they spun and learned together on a windy day, they knew that there was so much more to explore and discover.